This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. Premier location of the Riverfront offers this meticulous Craftsman home. Custom stone and Hardiplank siding means lasting finishes. Front porch is amazing and enhanced West/stamped concrete. Open and bright family room features coffered ceiling and opens to chef's kitchen and dining area. You'll never miss a conversation. Kitchen features granite countertops, tile backsplash. Electric cooktop is plumbed for gas, custom cabinets West/underlighting. Sit-up island, stainless steel appliances and eat-in area are most impressive. Wood floors throughout first floor, first FL guest bedroom/office adjoins full bath, first FL oversized primary ensuite, 2 bedrooms upstairs. FROG man cave/flex room. And enjoy afternoons relaxing in the Four Seasons room. Pristine 4-bedroom, 3-bath, well for sprinkler, 2-car garage and storage shed. This home has it all. Perfect location to all of Hampton Roads. For more information, review the details below or contact Gale Upchurch at 757-377-6689.